A mighty superhero duo that fights villains, but in the realm of health and wellness. You've guessed it right. It's lemon and olive oil. These everyday kitchen staples are more than just taste enhancers. Lemons, with their vibrant color and citrusy zing, bring a cocktail of vitamins and antioxidants to the table. On the other hand, olive oil, the Mediterranean elixir, is packed with heart-friendly fats and anti-inflammatory compounds. Together, this dynamic duo becomes an unbeatable powerhouse of health benefits, ready to embark on a mission to safeguard your body against numerous ailments. So, stick around as we uncover the incredible health benefits of lemon and olive oil, a truly powerful combination. Now, you must be wondering, how do you harness the superpowers of this dynamic duo? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Quite literally. All you need is a lemon, some quality olive oil, and voila! You've got an incredible elixir. To make a simple, yet powerful salad dressing, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon and whisk it with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper for an extra kick, and your health-boosting dressing is ready. But don't stop there. This blend also makes for a superb marinade. Just combine the juice of 2 lemons and half a cup of olive oil, throw in your favorite herbs and spices, and you've got a marinade that could make chicken, fish, or vegetables sing. It's just that simple to incorporate the incredible health benefits of lemon and olive oil into your daily diet. So go ahead, let your taste buds and health relish this powerful combination. Now, here's a tip that's bound to get your day off to a zesty start. Wake up to a refreshing glass of warm water with freshly squeezed lemon juice. Not only will this morning ritual energize you, but it'll also help balance your body's pH levels. You see, lemons are acidic on the outside but surprisingly alkaline on the inside. When consumed, they work like little pH superheroes, aiding your body in maintaining a healthy acid-base balance. It's a simple change to your routine, but it brings sizable benefits. So, start your day with this lemony boost and tap into the incredible health benefits of lemon and olive oil. Did you know the dynamic duo of lemon and olive oil can be turned into a super trio when joined by the golden goodness of raw honey? That's right. Combining equal parts of raw honey and olive oil creates an all-natural face mask that's packed with anti-aging benefits. Honey, nature's sweet nectar, has natural humectant properties, meaning it holds onto water molecules, making it a fantastic moisturizer. Olive oil, renowned for its healthy fats and antioxidant content, works alongside honey to ensure your skin stays smooth, plump, and luminously youthful. This magic blend is a hydrating powerhouse that can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Just mix equal parts of honey and olive oil, apply this golden elixir to your face, leave it for 15-20 minutes, and then rinse off. Say hello to nourished, radiant skin. Who said the incredible health benefits of lemon and olive oil were just for internal use? Your skin can relish them too. So go ahead, give your skincare routine a natural, beneficial upgrade with this simple yet effective face mask. But the fantastic thing about this power duo of lemon and olive oil is their versatility. They don't just belong in your skincare routine, they're also a flavorful addition to your diet. Imagine adding a lemon-infused olive oil to your favorite recipes like hummus or pesto sauce. Not only would it give your dishes a zesty kick, but also a hefty dose of health benefits. Olive oil alone is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. When combined with the vitamin C-packed lemon, it turns into a health-promoting superstar. This tangy condiment can aid digestion, support heart health, and even contribute to weight loss by helping you feel fuller, longer. So next time you whip up a batch of hummus or pesto, don't forget to drizzle in some lemon-infused olive oil. Your taste buds and your health will thank you for it. There's no denying the incredible health benefits of lemon and olive oil, whether on your face or in your food. As remarkable as this might sound, a mixture of 1 part lemon juice to 2 parts olive oil can gradually lighten age spots and acne scars. How? Well, the lemon juice acts as a natural bleaching agent, thanks to its citric acid content, which can lighten pigmentation and reduces the appearance of scars over time. Meanwhile, the olive oil, rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and E, aids in skin regeneration and healing. It also hydrates the skin, preventing dryness and irritation that often accompany the use of natural bleaches. So not only does this potent combination lighten your skin imperfections, but it also nurtures and rejuvenates your skin in the process. Regular application of this lemon and olive oil mixture can indeed yield a more even, brighter skin tone over time. The incredible health benefits of lemon and olive oil strike again. Now, here's a simple trick to take your cooking to the next level. Take the zest from a few lemons, squeeze out their juices, and add it all into a bottle of extra virgin olive oil. Shake it up, and voila! You've created a zesty, antioxidant-rich flavor bomb. Using this lemon-infused olive oil is an easy way to add a burst of citrusy goodness and a healthy dose of antioxidants to your dishes. Whether you're grilling vegetables, tossing a salad, or sautéing chicken, a drizzle of this infused oil will not only lift the flavor of your dish but also pack it with amazing health benefits. The incredible health benefits of lemon and olive oil. A powerful combination strikes again, making your meals healthier, tastier, and more exciting. Choosing organic products is crucial in harnessing the full potential of these two powerful ingredients, lemons and olive oil. By opting for organic, you ensure that your lemons and olives have been grown without harsh pesticides and chemical fertilizers that can compromise their nutrient quality.